Summer is when Quebec comes alive. After months of cold weather and being primarily housebound, Quebec City residents welcome summer in its stable 70° Fahrenheit, 21° Celsius, temps like few other Canadian cities. Restaurants enthusiastically set out their outdoor terraces, homeowners stuff window boxes with flowers, and the streets begin to fill with smiling people. The city squeezes every drop out of summer and makes the most of coveted outdoor time by jam-packing the days with festivals. In fact, it's one of the most festival-friendly cities in Canada. Events to check out. 1. Annually, on June 24th, the province of Quebec celebrates its birthday, la Fête nationale du Québec. Celebrations are especially raucous in the capital city. 2. Festival d'été de Québec is the largest music festival in Canada. 3. Throughout the month of August on every Wednesday and Saturday, Quebec puts on an amazing fireworks show, Les Grands Feux Loto Québec. 4. In early August, see Quebec's, aka Nouvelle France as it was originally called, 17th and 18th century history come alive during Fêtes de la Nouvelle France. 5. When you live through ferocious winters, you have to have a sense of humor, which Quebec City puts on display in mid-August at Comedy Ha. Fest Quebec.